Welcome to Justice Network. Let's take a closer look at the case, hear what happens in court, and find out how the story unfolds.
Good afternoon, Judge Mark Wasbury for plaintiff.
And I have counsel, I don't know where he is, Alex Henry, is supposed to be here with legal aid. I've been emailing him since last week.
You say Mr. Henry representing you?
Mhm.
Did he say that?
He sent me an email and asked me, did I still need his services? And I told him, yeah, I called him this morning and I emailed him this morning and I didn't get no response. Because of legal aid, they don't have walk-ins anymore, you have to call. And he said he was gonna help us get the other documents that she need. They sent her birth certificate application back. Social Security closed the week we was gonna go, open back up this week. And I had no money to catch the bus. So he emailed me on the 28th and said he was gonna help us. And I have this I gave to her.
Hold on.
Regardless of the documents, it's true, they do owe us some documents. I think the last time, a couple of weeks ago, you ordered Ms. Hines to pay escrow. That was a problem. And my assistant called the court 2 days ago. It was not paid. She's paid nothing since November. Now, of course,
I didn't get my check. They FIA said I had to turn a statement in, so Social Security put a hold on it until they recalculate, they said, because FIA paid, Department of Human Services pays my Medicare premium. And so she said she needed 2 statements from Chime. And I emailed her that, and I've been calling them every day.
When are you supposed to get your check?
As soon as FIA releases it, they do their part, and Social Security, I called them yesterday, and they said as soon as they get the paperwork from FIA saying that they're gonna pay their part.
November.
Yep.
That's an
You contact legal
I should have paid it.
with Mr. Henry.
I should have paid it, but they refused to fix anything in my apartment.
Pardon?
They don't want to fix nothing in my apartment.
Okay. Ms. Hines, I can.
And I reached out, can't reach out to
Hines,
agencies because I don't.
Hines,
think.
Ms. Hines, I may be able to get to all of those issues, but you've got to put the money in escrow.
I will.
When is it going in? Because you told me before you were going to pay it in.
The 27th. I'll put it in there.
Well, you were supposed to pay the 280 on that day.
Yes.
But what about
I was gonna try to give the 1,500.
Pardon?
Got my check because I get 1164.
Pardon?
I get 1164 a month, and then when my daughter-in-law, my nephew's girlfriend, give me 280, then I was gonna put that with it.
Is that the other occupant?
But I don't have no thing for court from the court to get help from the agency.
What do you mean you don't?
I don't have no court thing saying that I got owed that money. I filed for FIA.
Complaint, Ms. Hines.
Huh?
Who have you tried to contact?
The SER with FIA. And they sent me a letter back denying me, because they had I didn't have no documentation to send in showing that I had to go to court for it.
You had to send them your complaint.
It's not on there.
What's that on there?
My rent.
Termination, Judge.
He's bringing me,
So,
taking me to court for something else, not rent.
right, it's for termination, but should be able to get something from your landlord. This is what I owe.
Okay,
But
yeah, they wanted
okay,
something for it.
got a document, you can submit that to.
Okay,
Yes.
I will do that.
Okay, but still, is it just you in your apartment?
Me and my nephew, he's on my lease, and then,
All right. So that'd be only about $520 of this.
right. I just been stressed out.
Okay, everybody's stressed.
Yes.
So when are you going to get them to document? My understanding is there were some documents from Social Security, some other things that they.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
When are you going to get them to document?
We'll have him by the 27th, the attorney. He's working on it now.
Who's working on it?
Alex Henry with legal aid.
Uh,
And you've not heard from Mr. Henry?
No, and I don't know why a lawyer is needed for financial documents.
Well, I don't know that I can question that. I just need to know, did legal aid give you advice or are they gonna represent you?
He said he was gonna represent me.
All right, let me pass this briefly. I'm gonna have my staff check because that puts me in a different posture if she's represented. That's, I'll call you right back up, Miss Swan.
All right,
That is funny.
say next week. She said she'd find somewhere to go.
That's very
Because
wicked.
she don't get her check till the 27th.
So it doesn't, I would ask for a judgment. I mean, it doesn't sound like there's any progress here. She's admitted the unauthorized occupant is living there. Unfortunately, this is not the first time we've been way behind on rent with Miss Hines.
Termination case, so I'm gonna find that at this time, there's no tribal issue. I'm gonna issue a judgment for. I'm gonna make writ date. I'm gonna do it this way, Mr. Fair. I'm gonna make the writ date, send it to May 29th, 2026. I'll set a hearing on the writ that date. So we're just gonna do this all in one fell swoop and be done. That will be at 12 noon. Ms. Hines, I can't make it any clearer.
Mhm.
I'm issuing a judgment. You'll be evicted after the 29th.
If I get the,
Supply all the documents to the landlord.
okay,
They need to be supplied to them. I'm giving one more shot. That'd be the hearing date on the 29th.
okay,
And your rent needs to be caught up and your balance at zero. Otherwise, I'm letting the writ go forward.
okay, thank you.
What made this hearing so important was that the judge actually gave Miss Hines one final opportunity to fix the situation. She repeatedly explained her financial problems, missing documents, and issues with legal aid. But the court focused on one thing: the unpaid balance and the lack of progress. The judge ultimately entered the eviction judgment, but extended the writ date to May 29th, giving her one last chance to provide the required documents and bring the rent balance down to zero. If she failed, the eviction would move forward.